Just to let you know that we cannot file an FIR against him.
Why?
It's a very long drawn process because he's a member of the parliament.
Oh, is it? They're sheltered.
इतना प्यार है तो घर पे लेके जाओ. And then those.
But please, this is my gift. I've given it before. Please remember this line when they tell you that. So you should say, okay, तेरी बीवी भी आ सकता है फिर.
It's very nice studying MBBS and getting exposure to so much. And so I would think these babies they're just born. I am sure they're all clean and clear and kind, and I would not imagine. Pavitra is what I would think. They seem pure. How do I know which of these babies is growing up to be a terrorist? I mean, there's footage of parking garage, empty parking garage, a senile old dog lying down. The guy would reverse, he'd back up, he'll turn and go over the dog. There was a comment which said that women sleep with dogs. His wife sleeps with him.
Transitive property.
Which means,
yeah.
Who is he?
People, keep in mind that we don't have an AMA episode this week because we are on chutti, Christmas, New Year. So please understand, the format will be here and there. Okay, Cyrus says, and we have a return guest after many years though. Dr. Shefali Batra is back. I call her Shefali. No, I don't really. Do I?
You don't call me
we
enough.
Touch
You
on the
don't call
phone.
me enough is the problem.
I'll call you more. We are on touch on the phone. Today, this morning at 4, I get up early. I get up
4:30.
Yeah, so I get up at 4, 5 past 4 I was up and walked my dogs, came back. Then I saw the phone and there was a message. But the message was in the night. Midnight ka message
Yes,
tha. 12 baje aisa. Let's call it normal late night.
Normal late.
I replied at 4:36, whatever I replied to the message about today's shoot. And I got a reply at 4:37. I panicked a little bit. I said, kuch hua? Why is she awake?
No,
I love...
And so what did I ask you?
Remind me.
So I asked you, like, did you just wake up? Because I know you wake up early. Or did you wake up to pee?
Yeah, no, that's what you asked me. The second one, yeah.
Because most people I message because I'm awake 24/7.
And I do pee 3 times in the night at this age. So this is the correct point to ask.
Okay.
But no, listen to me. You screwed up my game plan. मेरा जो game plan जो है, I thought was fantastic. I sit in the morning and I start messaging people back who I have not messaged.
In a long time.
Firstly, at your time, I'm asleep. So those I have to message back. But some I've missed even at 6, 7 in the evening yesterday. So I try to message back. So I've done my due diligence. और मेरे को मालूम है कि 4:30 बजे कोई मेरे को जवाब दे देगा.
Exactly.
So I also don't
So
no
you
pressure. No pressure for interaction. So I super plan. And when it came back, I almost died. I was like, what's she doing awake? I got scared.
Yeah, but I could have woken up
So
as
what were you
early
doing?
as you. I had...
You said actually later.
No, I got a new phone and I was just trying to transfer the eSIM and then, the digital freaks that
But
we are.
4:30 बजे क्यों?
सोने के पहले.
सोने के पहले मतलब सोने का टाइम क्या है?
सही बात है.
Are you a watchman? Dr. Shefali?
No. So there's this
Shift?
secret. There's a secret. People say, oh yeah, Eastern time zone. You're probably in New York right now. I said, no. And then someone says, hey, are you in Europe right now? Because I am basically responding at any time.
But it's a fair question if they don't know for sure. Because sometimes
Because
time zones...
I used to live in the United States earlier. And so people always ask, like, by chance, are you traveling?
Are they being sarcastic or do they actually think?
They're genuinely thinking, because I would be there versus here. But now they know that I reply 24/7. So I think it's just that occupational hazard, mental health you don't think is so much of an emergency. But when people...
But I feel very bad because my plan is such कि अगर मैंने जवाब 4:30 बजे 5 बजे के टाइम पे आसपास पे दे दिया message, I know they're not going to answer. So then the guilt is on them. कि they've not answered as the hours go by.
But you just lost.
Because
you
normally,
can't win against
exactly,
me. That's the problem.
Can't win against you. Okay, check out our first episode as well. I hope I don't repeat any questions to Dr. Shefali. I'm an idiot, so I can't remember anything.
You're not an idiot. You're losing your memory, and umar में होता है.
होता है ना?
It's your age. Yeah.
Hey, Alzheimer's is, I know that's not your speciality, but
it can come at 25. So you're 27, right?
Yeah, I don't remember.
I am just making you feel good.
I might be 26.
You're my friend.
Yeah.
Okay? I want you to feel good.
Yeah. No, but that's true. Yeah, this memory thing is in the last couple of years a little scary. I had a very good memory, and my long-term memory is still fine from
You
whatever.
remember me?
Of course, but we.
So what else matters then?
Superb, you mean.
So that's
There
the
you go,
point.
there you go.
It's selective.
Yeah.
We remember things that are important.
The
to
worst thing which I used to read about is happening is you forget whether you've taken such and such pill. Like
That's true.
That's ridiculous.
I've done it with my insulin. I'm in the middle of work and I've taken my injection because I'm diabetic. And then suddenly...
You take it many times a day, right?
4 to 5 times
4 to
a day.
5. Can you take it once in show?
I mean, I'll show you later. I'll
You've
show
never
it
had
on
any
camera.
you never had any action on the on the shoot, yeah. People come and say talk. कुछ तो दिखाना चाहिए ना.
मैं-
Boys, what do you think?
I can.
Insulin live, first time.
But with Thappad live, I can give slaps also.
See, I'll tell you one thing.
See, action.
No.
You
Listen,
want
no,
action.
listen to my point. No, see, insulin. We don't have too many people who are taking, right?
But a lot of people slap.
Everyone, every guest. The next guest. There's some girl coming after this. No, the next guest will
Oh,
do the
girls
slap.
only slap.
Today is all female day. My boys are very excited because ours.
But they touch you like
We,
so.
I don't know about that.
But the slap is also touch.
It is touch. Yeah. So a romantic guy says, "Dobara."
You won't say that, no?
No.
No, good.
But girls sometimes slap in a very weak. I've been slapped a few times. It's very weak, the slap.
So
My
like-
mom used to give a solid one, yaar. Yeah.
So the girls do the pyar bhara slap.
I feel कि जब वो हाथ ऐसा दिला है ना, the wrist is not tight.
Maybe they just want touch. You should be flattered.
I don't think so. I think you got the wrong guy. They don't want. They want to slap only. They just don't slap hard enough.
तो फिर आपके जैसे muscles तो we don't have. So
Some women are very muscular. I've seen a few.
we know about your association with women and we're talking about
But
that
all are
since a
welcome.
while.
Whatever your body type is, we don't do any body shaming here. This is not the show for that. Okay, so let's now get. We want to talk about calling it animal activism, but I'm very depressed for the last few months. Don't judge by my expression, because this whole court,
I
Supreme Court
absolutely
going after
resonate with
dogs,
you.
going after, and the thing is that we are fighting from childhood, as you know. I know you're very much a cat person also, and we're talking about all animals, but primarily dogs, because that's the issue. From childhood, we're fighting the non-dog people. You know, I don't know how to explain it.
In fact, I just made a video yesterday that why is there a war happening between the lovers and the haters? It wasn't intended to be that way. You know, we talk to people, even if I'm casually talking within the family or friend circle, that, you know, I'm just busy with this dog situation and just trying to make people aware. And people very openly come up with, you know, I go for a walk in the morning and there are
Yeah.
these two dogs who bark at us. I said, yeah, so we will target those dogs. We will take care of those dogs. We'll see what's wrong with them and figure it out. Maybe they're chronically underfed and that's what makes one aggressive, or maybe they're not vaccinated. But people have made it that, you know, those misconceptions.
Can I tell you what the real argument should be? Because I come from a line of lawyers. Then I don't want to say कि intellectual capacity बढ़ गया and all that, but let's be honest.
You are not, no.
Yeah.
Matlab
No,
genetics
I'm not,
can
I'm
go
not.
haywire sometimes.
I'm the black sheep. But the main argument is that society is built by human beings who have reason. But when it comes to dogs, stray dogs especially,
There's no reason.
they don't use that reason.
There's no
so
logic.
They get into panic mode. Look at the way they catch the kid when the dog is passing, domestic dog or desi dog, whatever it is. They pull the kid and the body language is wrong.
No,
From the-
I meet, whenever I see a kid on the street, you know, whatever socioeconomic class it is, I'm just always trying to spread the message of
exactly.
empathy and compassion. So the kids are very open
and they
about
have curiosity also if you just allow them a chance.
it. But the kids are open and saying, the dog will bite. My mama told me the dog will bite.
That's what, no.
So we're conditioning the kids right
what I'm
from
saying.
childhood, and that's what is creating the problem.
So you have the power of reason. You can reason. Human beings have to reason. Every time a woman says, "मुझे पसंद नहीं है," not woman, anybody. I shouldn't say woman. Get into trouble.
I don't know,
Where did
you're
that come
obsessed,
from?
so we know where it
Give me the
came from.
injection. Hey, give me one fast. Insulin, please. Yeah. No, so because they come up with the पसंद नहीं है, मेरे को डर लगता है. डर लगता है का मतलब I don't understand because
हर
there's no.
चीज का डर we are generating
see,
it no
I
from
tell you
somewhere.
honestly, so many human beings make me scared. Like I look.
I am more scared of human beings
I'm
than
very
dogs.
scared of human beings. I don't say कि boss उसको पकड़ो. Of course, that sounds wrong in colloquial Hindi.
No, you don't talk Hindi because
I
something
think I
always
should.
sounds wrong when you
sounds
talk
sexual
Hindi.
unnecessarily when where we are with the conversation, where we land up. But yeah, so I'm thinking, coming back to the human factor, I'm saying that we have to understand that we don't try. We just decide that it's okay, it's cool to be scared.
So
it's
that's
cool to
where
be,
we live and we die with misconceptions. And
Yeah.
you know, in studying the mind, being a psychiatrist, when you live with a thought for too long, it gets ingrained into your
It's called
DNA.
rumination, no? I've read about this. Ruminating.
You
Like
just told me
like-
you come from an intellectual lineage, so yes, it's called.
I-
When we keep thinking something for a long period of time, it just kind of becomes part of us.
Yeah.
So that's
It becomes
what
a bigger
essentially
problem than it
happens.
should be, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what ruminating is. I mean,
Or obsessing or whatever to explain it.
OCD obsessing is different, but if you are afraid of something, so you're using that stimulus, the dog, even beyond when it's not around you. So even when you talk of dogs or something, there's no dog around, but you'll just always have it in
Negative.
your head,
Huh.
that negative, and so you make your kids grow
But
up with
again,
it.
exactly what you're saying, that the parents or adults around.
Usually parents, I mean everything, the first learning comes from
Correct.
them.
Parents, sometimes grandparents, sometimes there are also other adults, whatever,
In the
who give that
house.
imprinting, the wrong imprinting.
That
and then we are
happens.
spending 40 years after that trying to get the person to not be scared.
Yeah, so people realize much later that, oh my God, animals are so wonderful.
And I have a lot of friends who've been converted that way, who would just look at a dog or cat or whatever and
To
whatever.
be really honest, I didn't grow up as an animal lover. Now, my family is supportive in the sense they are neutrally supportive, so there's something called neutral support because not opposing is equated with supporting. But they never openly approved of it, but they didn't oppose it either. But when you see now, when you kind of grow up, I won't tell you my age, but when you kind of grow
22,
up,
23, I mean, come on, yaar. Can't be more than that.
yes, we'll just leave it at that.
हाँ.
22-23 से ज़्यादा तो मेरी experience है as a psychiatrist,
Wow.
but nonetheless,
So, I
we will
graduated at the age of, गिन के बताओ.
गिनती आती हो तो गिनेंगे ना. So let's leave that. But it's just something that you feel. I wish I was taught this because then I would get more time with animals and I would have adopted much earlier also. So today I obviously, while walking up the stairs here, firstly
in IVM where we are
we
located.
choose to walk, because it's kind of healthier.
Guys, that is just a slap on my face because she
Because
asked
you did
me,
not see the cat on
No,
the
I didn't see
corridor.
that. I didn't see the cat, but I don't like walking. I'm not a walker fan here.
We are a runner.
I hate running. I only like to lift weights and I like to lie on the couch and scratch.
Scratch.
Yes.
We won't. No. Sorry.
Well, I scratch everywhere. I'm at that age where everything is scratchy. I know what
No,
you're
no,
saying. That's more younger man's issue. When I mean, my age, you see old uncles.
I
no?
just
Yeah,
scratch my
udhar,
cat's head and behind my cat's ears. So
Yeah.
I don't
Well,
think
I
you
don't
meant
have an
that.
owner who to look after me like that, who gives me love. And if you think it's my wife or my mother,
I
it's
will
not. Yeah.
think of adoption, if at all. I will keep you informed.
I'm available.
But back to-
And I've been neutered also. Neutered only, no?
People do not want to know that, and we
They're
might.
laughing. They're laughing. But neutered is the male, right? Neutered is the male,
Yes.
no? So I've been neutered.
No, actually,
What is the female?
Spaying
is the male.
Spaying is the male.
And the female is what? Neutered. तो मेरे को क्यों neuter किया?
मैंने नहीं किया यार. I
You
don't.
took away my ovaries. What the hell? I want them back. What's going on?
Cyrus, do you need glucose?
No,
I'm just
I don't.
wondering. I'm back to the
I
point
need Campos.
of. Interesting. No, but
Just
I'm talking about the
override me
point.
if I'm talking. Go on, huh?
I walk on the stairs the other day and there's a little baby sparrow, like barely a few
Don't
days
give me a
old.
sad story, please.
I won't complete the story because the ending is
No
sad.
killing of animals. Just talk about anything.
I
else.
didn't kill the animal. I picked the animal to take care of that little birdie.
Okay.
And then while walking up to your studio, there's this little cat
Hmm.
with 4 baby kittens. And actually she was feeding them, just newborn babies. So compassion just comes very naturally. And we have a compassion gene. And when I say we, I mean
Human beings.
the entire universe. Yes, human beings have that compassion.
Even politicians.
They have it, but they like dig
So we
underground
tell them
and
what you showed us on your phone, which we kept you on the side.
they bury the compassion and it's kind of killed and dead. That's what sometimes we just say empathy is dead and kindness is dead. But everybody has it. When that politician or when that
Can you just set it up for them? I won't take names. I understand that we live in a world where we have to be careful, but it's ridiculous what he did. I mean, someone has to call it out.
someone in a
बिहार में एक ऐसा बंदा है who is a member of parliament or an MLA, I'm not sure, and
he stands up openly in front of a news channel and says that it was basically a hate comment for the feeders, people who feed the street animals. And it said that women who feed animals are using them for satisfaction in bed at night for themselves. So somebody can say that. I don't have a
the
problem
exact words
with
है कुत्तों के साथ सोते हैं.
कुत्तों के साथ सोते हैं.
Exact phrase. So I mean, you can interpret it.
We have videos. It's all over the animal.
These are the people you are
loving-
electing to positions of office in this country. Please,
But
dear
it's
Janta, do something.
anti-constitutional. You don't have to. I'm not saying it's worse, yes, because he's in a position of authority. But what learning and what lesson does that give to the rest of the country,
And
to
it's
the
also
rest of the nation?
completely chauvinistic and
Absolutely
anti-animal. I mean, there's so many
misogynistic,
exactly.
Absolutely misogynistic.
Yeah.
And just to let you know that we cannot file an FIR against him.
Why?
It's a very long drawn process because he's a member of the parliament.
Oh, is it? They're sheltered. Okay, let me
Would-
tell you a happier story just to get away from all this because we just hope there's a revolution one day of young people and
But
other
there's a
people who
little
say,
catty with 4 kittens and that made me smile.
yeah, there
So
you go.
that's a happy.
There you go. And no, I'm just hoping one day we will rise as a country and say enough. Don't animal haters out. Here's the border. Here's your
It
bags.
is I don't know how many people we'll have to send out. But
No, I think a lot of people, Shivali, are neutral because they've just not had their eyes, open.
Yeah.
And that's the
but
huge amount of.
hating is different.
Hating is a small group.
Neutrality is okay.
Loving is a
Neutrality
small
is
group at the
fine.
moment, unfortunately. But the middle is what we need to push
Correct.
to our side completely. I'll tell you a better story than this, which is my dad, because you said you grew up with sort of, ambivalent. Nobody was anti or pro animals, but it was like a basic thing. I grew up a little differently. My dad used to drive a Fiat car with a cigarette in his mouth. And
My dad drove a Fiat without a cigarette, but yeah.
cigarette in the mouth is always like, he thought he was a film star, I think. Cigarette in the mouth and talking also.
No, even my dad
Yeah.
thought he's a film
Yeah,
star.
yeah.
That's the generation.
But if there were passerbys, human beings who would cross the road, not as bad as now, but there were, or a car was stopping or driving badly in front, he would use MCBC immediately. And in Gujarati, it's as bad as Punjabi. Okay, it's really bad.
You're saying that because I'm Punjabi.
I'm just like the two languages that I know where the abuse
Level
is
of
poetry.
abuse.
It's proper poetry. If you have the right while growing up, if you have the right influences, you learn the
I
poetry.
have a friend who's a PhD in Punjabi Galis.
Yeah.
but yeah.
It's a beautiful language. Punjabi sounds nice also. You're being abused, but still the rhythm is beautiful. Gujarati doesn't sound so nice. It just sounds like gali. And we would abuse a lot. Okay, ma ben, what I won't get into it. And then if a dog was passing, he would stop the car. Okay, put his hand up because we used to have no signals were all hands, hand like this, like that. And 5 cars, and they are giving galis left, right, and center. And he would talk to the dog like this. So courage, dikra, aste ja. Go with God,
So
go with
cute.
God, aste ja. Hands up! And that's going on between and the animal.
There
so
is
I grew
this-
up thinking the dogs are a king, are the greatest things ever.
But
And he wasn't wrong.
I'm happy
Yeah,
with the way you
wasn't
grew
wrong.
up
Yeah.
because I noticed this. I'm doing this more because I'm so active with the animal situation, and suddenly that common thread, you just find more and more people like you. Like I always felt that I didn't find people like me around.
No, but there are. And the good thing is, like you're saying, we have a community. There's a whole tribe of people.
So there's that commonality.
Yeah.
Just a few minutes ago, just before we started this talk, I was on Instagram with somebody because you're just connecting so much with animal lovers there, and people are sending you videos and, ma'am, I saw this happening. Can you do something about it? Then I'll call PETA, I'll call the other organizations I know. And so that sense of community is established, which is very new for me.
Yeah.
I wasn't like this earlier, but it does appear that it was always there. That gene was there. The empathy or the compassion gene was there, and it's kind of more alive right now.
But do you realize we found our real community?
Yeah.
See, otherwise we are defined by, say, being Indian or being Punjabi or whatever.
But I think being an animal lover
South
is
Bombay.
a community
That's
in
a
itself.
real community. No, it's a
Yeah.
real community of people with great empathy for the same thing.
Yeah.
It's almost like people who like cricket, for example, or
Yeah.
like a football team, or they really bond
Some
well.
people might call it a cult, but I think
It's not a cult.
It's not a cult, yes. It's an ideology. It's something you live by.
Yeah.
That everyone of our clan does not want designer stuff because we would rather use that money to help an animal in need. And there is this new thing also that if you love animals, you're kind of anti-human because.
That's all nonsense.
But
yeah.
it would be the way your dad
I mean, between
would.
you and me, it's not completely incorrect, but it's wrong. Yeah.
I know, but as you
But how can
mentioned,
we? When I have these arguments all the time. All my life I've had these arguments. You'd think dogs are better than humans. I'm like, what are you? Have you ever been with a dog and been with a human? What are you talking about?
You just said it.
Have you been
That's
betrayed by a dog?
community.
Have you been abused by a dog? If a dog doesn't like you, tells you immediately, just leave him alone and all's good. That's
you
all you gotta
scream
do.
at him and he still comes and he'll lick you.
Yeah, and he wants to be with you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have you ever met a wife or husband like that, a girlfriend or boyfriend like that? Even a mother will struggle to give you that kind of love. So what the hell are you talking about?
And this is
I shall tell you about my
exactly-
human interactions. Exploitation, employees who feel redundant and unhappy. You just look around you, where we've just betrayed each other left, right, and center.
Correct.
What kind of? There's no argument. It's a
There is
stupid
no
con-
argument, but you can't argue with a fool because you will lose.
And the other line is घर पे लेके जाना.
Standard.
Standard.
इतना प्यार है तो घर
Yeah,
पे लेके
yeah.
जाओ.
So
And then those.
But please, this is my gift. I've given it before. Please remember this line when they tell you that. So you should say, okay, तेरी बीवी भी आ सकते हैं फिर, because I like your wife also, so I'll take her home. Am I right? That's the logic, right?
The logic makes
I like your
sense.
children. I'll take them home. I like your driver. I'll take him. There's no end to it.
No, whoever we are kind to,
Yeah.
the sort of non-lovers, I don't even want to say haters because that's a very strong word.
No, there are actual haters.
No, but-
Like this guy, this idiot who's made all these comments. When you start making these kind of comments, there's just hatred and lack of respect for
But-
women, lack of respect for animals, no
But
empathy.
just to, I've actually, since August, since the ruling was the first ruling and then there was the protests and all of that, I've actually blocked about 7 to 10 people on my phone. Now, 7 to 10 may not sound much. I have 15,000 contacts. But people who actually every single day would see my videos or my comments, and I don't know if you recall around Ganpati time, some people there were dogs around the pandal, and I had probably put a video of it and, said that this is what true love and compassion is. And I had people calling and said that I am anti-Hindu, I am anti-national.
Dogs are allowed in mandirs? Or
Dogs are
everywhere
allowed in
I've gone?
mandirs. I mean, look, I am not...
At least in Agyaris and mandirs, dogs are there. I won't talk about every religion.
In the Parsi community, yes,
Yeah.
the dogs are extremely important. And
Then?
even in actually when you talk of Lord Shiva, and I'm not talking religion here,
Yeah.
but
Bhairav.
dogs,
Yeah, yeah.
dogs are important. I mean, I may
No,
not
but
be a
talk
follower
religion.
of...
If people want to throw scriptures at us, then we'll give you examples in
We'll
scriptures.
give you back that it's there in the scriptures too. I mean, when we date back
Who
to...
guides Yudhishthira in the Mahabharata?
But we talk of the PCA, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act now of 1960, but back then in 2 or 3 BC, we had laws coming out for the
Yeah.
protection and welfare of animals. So, but kindness and compassion, I think, is a religion in itself.
I don't even think it's kindness. You don't have to go to kindness. You just be normal. Why would you want to be evil?
Because kindness
actually
is
it's
normal.
evil behavior.
Kindness is normal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm a doctor, okay? I'm now Dimag ka
I'm a
doctor.
patient.
No, you are an impatient. You're not a patient. But Dimag ka doctor, but MBBS we do. And, I've always been that little sit and think and, the little intuitive kind of a person. So in the gynecology posting, we would deliver babies. And municipal hospital,
You would deliver babies?
As in, they don't come through me, but we would deliver babies. As in,
But
from...
you're not a gynaec.
Yeah, but MBBS, no?
So you're good enough to deliver babies.
Good
Why do I
in-
waste money on gynaecs?
No, I would not deliver...
MBBS, guys, go to an MBBS, save your money, just get someone who's still studying.
Cyrus, stick to the
I
point.
didn't know you could do I wasted so much
In
money
our-
on gynacs.
In our training,
I have
we
11
do...
children.
No, cricket team.
No.
In our training, we do it with the assistance of our seniors.
But you can deliver a baby.
Not today.
1 second. Who's pregnant in marketing?
Who are you getting pregnant?
Me! Be kind
No,
to
you
animals.
You said that you are neutered. So
Yeah. Then I
But-
realized I'm the wrong gender. So I'll have to
back,
go and check.
back to the point.
Huh.
We're talking about when I would deliver those babies, everybody would deliver babies. We had 2 or 3 junior doctors, and then we had 4 or 5 senior doctors, and then the consultant. So, it's very cute. All the babies are sitting in one, not sitting, lying down,
In those cots.
few hours old, and government hospital. So each one maybe didn't even have a cot, but we had a huge, like literally 30
That
babies,
next to
30
each other.
babies and next to each other in a row, and it's just swaddled up, and just looking at like, oh my god, this guy's 3 hours old, this guy's 5 hours old, and it's kind of interesting for us because we're 20, 23 years old, and it's very nice studying MBBS and getting exposure to so much. And so I would think these babies they're just born. I am sure they're all clean and clear and kind, and I would not imagine...
Pavitra.
Pavitra is what I
Purity.
would think. They seem pure. I mean, I wouldn't know
For that little few seconds before.
I mean, they'll cry
No, but
when they...
that's our conversation in the beginning also, no?
But that's the point, that how do I know which of these babies is growing up to be a terrorist or a rapist?
That's true.
Or an animal hater, or you've been watching, I mean, unfortunately the news isn't covering all of this, but the degree of cruelty, I just saw this video last night, and maybe that's also why I didn't sleep. I was up till 4 or 5 whenever you woke up. But this lady, I don't know her name and don't want to mention it, but the mouth of the dog was tied up, the forelimbs and the hind limbs tied up, and he was buried alive.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, I know we want to talk good things.
Who this lady did it? A lady?
The lady and 2 men, like, they did it. Now, to talk of psychopathology, I don't remember studying in psychiatry this degree of cruelty. I mean, we know war crimes.
This is beyond evil.
And it's bailable, and what is
50 rupee fine,
50
right?
rupee fine. So, in fact, we are encouraging that just pay 50 rupees and do
Can't we
this.
put her face out there and show people what a monster she is?
We will put the face in the small community on Instagram where only we animal
No, we'll
lovers
push it.
exist.
We'll push it everywhere.
No, but that's
We have
the
to
point.
fight back now. Otherwise, what's going to happen?
No,
They'll
we
just
are
take away all
trying,
animals. Look at
but-
this is a proper murder. It's like, I mean, who does that? What kind of human
Perpetrated
being?
murder. I don't want to mention again. I see these videos all day. Unfortunately, sometimes I'm posting the video.
They shot
and
the video of
talking.
what they're doing.
Sometimes we get it on CCTV cameras. That's mostly what we do. But we got more of the videos when we kind of exhumed, if you want to call it.
Okay.
And then we get the history that this is what we did. And then you're of course getting the dog's body out, and you can see that he's tied up.
Okay.
I'm saying this is happening in the real world. This is happening.
God.
This is
Don't
real. Do you feel safe with a neighbor
I just
like
feel
that?
aggressive. I just want to kill. I just hate these people so
You know,
much. I
in
can't
the
tell you,
animal
Shefali.
community,
I
all the-
hope one day I don't get caught alone with one of these guys somewhere where
You know what you just said? I myself
my
said
blood
it.
rushes so much. I just want to.
This is animal community. Everyone I talk to says exactly the words that you're saying. I mean, I don't have that. You can see mere utne muscle nahi hai. I don't have that power. I actually said it, and I am a doctor. I'm supposed to be kind, compassionate.
How dare they have life? These people. I mean, what kind of people? I mean, they're not human. They're not even
I wouldn't like. I feel embarrassed to say I'm a human being.
really.
And gone are the days when we used to abuse.
And the fact that we still haven't got a law in place for people with this animal cruelty, where you kill an animal in a horrible way like this.
They have admitted to the crime. They've gone to the police station. There may be an FIR or not, based on whether one feels like taking that complaint. And she's free again. If at all, a 50 rupee bailable. That's what you pay. So this is very encouraging. I mean, there's footage of parking garage, empty parking garage, a senile old dog
Oh, God.
lying down. The guy would reverse. He'd back up. He'll turn and go over the dog. Like, it's even uncomfortable.
Knowing what he's doing.
Yeah, deliberately. It's an empty garage. But there are videos. He's backing up. He's turning. Again, he's turning. There are 4 little puppy dogs on the road. Okay, I get this.
Okay, now stop telling me these sad stories.
I'm just telling you, maybe people who watch this would know that this is happening. Because, in our community, like in our Instagram following or social media is the only place that's covering it. News isn't covering it. So when we post this, everyone's telling each other, why are we posting it? Because we are only seeing it. It's just hurting us and making us cry.
The news is so biased, your mainstream news, because they use words like dog menace. Why do you start with the prejudice like
Do
dog
you know
menace?
in the Supreme Court discussions, they said so-called animal lovers.
Yeah.
With the inverted commas.
And they've asked them to deposit
that
money.
animal lovers are weird creatures.
Yeah.
So that's where we are.
There's no balance. In fact, this entire judgment, when you look at it, the whole idea of making shelters, it sounds great if you have shelters and dogs can be looked after.
If
So
you
where
have
are they going to come
shelters.
from?
These are very
Will be enough space?
unsheltered
Exactly.
shelters.
So the reality
These are
is very
like
different.
pounds. You're just to mentally think if
I'm
people,
so worried they'll just keep picking up the dogs, and nobody knows what happens to the second part,
some of us know because
No, we
sometimes the
know, but
footage
what I mean is
gets
we don't know where they're going or what they're
the
doing.
footage gets leaked and
Yeah.
the dogs are put in 2x3
Okay,
feet
okay,
spaces
alright,
and
okay.
it's unfair, but
Yeah. Okay.
that
the
is
bus
life.
now. I can't. It's too much for me. I'm a bit of a weakling. I can't even think about all these things.
I know
honestly.
what you're
I just get
saying.
angry and then I want to just hurt people. And there's only IVM employees. Who can we hit to take out the kunness? Call some boys in.
We have a punching bag, no, for you because wherever you are, you need.
Only for me? I thought you meant a human being was a punching bag. And you're going to give us names.
No, we can get a punching bag and put the photos of these human beings. I'm a compassionate psychiatrist. We love human beings also. We pity human beings actually who don't have love in their heart.
Yeah, but you're told to forgive everyone and everything, but there are some things which are very difficult to digest.
I know.
But we'll take a quick break and then come back and talk some more. Hopefully a little bit more positively, because what we want to do is increase the circle of animal. You don't have to be an animal lover. You just have to show some humanity and not want animals to suffer. That's the whole idea.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, we're trying to live together because we've created this world.
Coexistence is
No, we've
what we
created this
want.
world. The dogs have come with us everywhere. They've followed us faithfully and loyally and everything. And so have the cats and the pigeons and the sparrows, which disappeared till the pandemic came back.
And leopards and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. I know.
It's a planet for everyone. That's how
If
it
anything,
was.
I'm putting this idea out there. If anything, we're too many humans. So if you had to put people in shelters, anything.
Ideally, it should be humans.
frankly speaking, between you and me, just do
It
the
should
logic.
be.
Yeah.
No, look at, I don't mean just pick the poor people and put them in
No,
shelters. But
Why
if you
people? I'll
have...
make my list. Very secular list. Mere paas hai list. Don't worry. We'll go top to
So
bottom
I have a
everywhere.
pretty long list
Yeah, long
of
list.
people who
Starting
need
with
to
that
go
evil,
in.
ugly woman who did that horrible act to the dog.
Yeah.
God, oof. If you, we'll take a break, then we'll come back.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
We're back. Explain.
We're back.
We're back. Explain.
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Explain.
I got a comment on Instagram
Yeah.
when he said that women who feed dogs sleep with dogs at night. So I also took a while to understand because Instagram, it's a public thing, right? A public profile. So there was a comment which said that women sleep with dogs. His wife sleeps with him.
Transitive property.
Which means
Yeah.
who is he?
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't understand these comments. Anyways, you get like 1,000 comments you can't read. But there are people who are extremely furious about this. And that this should not just
There's
go.
no way you can defend this man's comments. No way.
You can't.
Whatever position he's in, whether he's a Aam Aadmi from nowhere, working at McDonald's, or whether he's a big
Listen,
mantri
I
or-
think all of us are Aam Aadmis and Aam
I mean, that
Aurats.
doesn't matter really, honestly. No.
As long as our poop and piss looks the same, I
Yeah.
think we're the same. You know.
That was a strange metaphor, but
But it made
it
sense.
was like blood or something like that.
blood is also
Or
the
we breathe
same.
the same air or something. Except Delhiites don't, but yeah.
Exactly. No, even air is selective these days,
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
a sensitive
we're getting
topic.
there. We're getting there.
And about the comment that AQI is just temperature and
Rekha ji's. It's okay. She made the
Yeah.
comment. We cannot deny it.
I know, but
I think
it's
the point is you can measure it with any instrument. So now
with the thermometer also.
no, with anything like weight machine or if you're like 95 kilos, then clearly AQI is out of control. It's like that.
Yeah, and so we put water and the AQI gets just fine in the monitoring spot. And hot spots are spots which are temperature hot.
Right.
So
So once again, we get the leaders we deserve, it looks like. So it's a little sad.
it reflects on us, right?
It does at the end of the day.
How many of us would be ready to join politics because
But I don't agree with this. I can't believe that in Parliament, in the Lok Sabha, in the Rajya Sabha, in the Vidhan Sabhas across the country and all, they aren't animal lovers. Because we're distributed all over the country. It's not like there are 8 people in Bandra.
how did it
and-
happen that
They have to speak up. The whole problem is even
they're
now
there,
you're
but
scared
they
to say
don't
anything. I'm
speak
scared
up.
to say anything. We don't want to ever
That's
challenge the
true.
Supreme Court. Fair enough. You have to be very careful. There's legal standing in your position, etc. I get that. There's a certain protocol. But if we don't at least put our foot down and say, boss, you can't do this. You have to stop this and allow other people to join us. So it becomes like a bit of a revolution. It has
so
to become
those
like that.
who are, let's say if we feel part of a revolution, we talk about it openly, but most people don't. So there must be just so much that's going. So what sort of fear and
See, I think it's the middle class crisis thingy where you basically don't want to get involved in anything because it's going to be long drawn out and you don't want to get into trouble. We are ingrained to behave like that now. But deep down, what their heart feels is, support us. That's what their heart feels. But they don't have
then
the courage
heart
to follow
and
it up.
action is
Yeah, I know, but
no,
that's where we
just
have to
thinking
to
is-
push people to the
we
sheriff.
can't just
From
say-
today, you become an animal lover. Don't tell me that I like animals, but I'm scared and
You
all
have
that.
to take care of the cat on the corridor.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what food to get her.
Yeah. Arey, just take out the food from here. These guys eat too much in the canteen.
No, we'll give cat food.
Kittens we can't feed, but the adult cat will eat more or less everything. Don't worry. Why not? I mean, that's the least of the problems right now in the
Dimag
animal
bhi
world. Na?
khayegi.
Kya cuisine mein kya hai? Haan. Yeah, so coming back to this whole thing, so we're in the middle of, I don't know whether education has to start with the kids alone
Kids.
or go to
it
schools.
starts with that. Go to schools is the best idea actually. To just, of late I'm more of an empathy consultant, more than.
What does that mean?
So I'm a psychiatrist. I deal with human minds, but I'd like to focus essentially on empathy because I think if you take care of that, a lot of other things get taken care of. Whether it's a relationship or people who come with anger. and
Empathy basically
aggression.
means understanding from the other person's point of view.
Correct.
Correct.
Like kind of stepping into their shoes.
So now how they'll ask us, then why can't you understand the people who hate dogs point of view? Who say they find the dogs inconvenient, they're scared, they don't like walking where the dogs are barking and they don't have confidence. So how do we...
No, but I may also be scared if it's a rabid dog barking. Look, when I was feeding a cat on the street, he kind of got overstimulated and he bit me. And I had to run around getting shots. But I'm thinking from the cat's point of view that I kind of was trying to touch and pet a street kitten, but he didn't know that I was being friendly. So I'm actually empathizing with the cat, and I came back and said, "Good, that's what animal lovers do." I said it was my fault that the cat bit me. I didn't stop feeding every cat on the street just because a cat bit me.
But this is also a good story to tell people. My daughter got bitten by a dog while feeding once because she moved the food. And for a second she started crying. She was 5 years old. I said, no, go back and feed him. Just don't take the food because he's not built trust yet.
Correct.
And she did it. She got over the
But
fear
that's what
immediately.
we need, parents like you.
You know, what I'm
Versus
saying is,
parents who
first,
say-
first you have to understand the dog is not a tiger. The bite is not that bad. So don't make sissify your entire family. Every time a cat scratches you or a dog gives you a little
Don't
nip, it's
say
not
that.
exactly like a tiger's mauled you and you're dead.
Correct.
So the first thing is I done urban Indians
But I
and they
think that's
and
our
they-
conditioning.
Stop that.
It's conditioning.
I see,
It's
I see,
half the
I
time.
see it in the gym. Men with no.
But that's your. So I think everybody's got a different EQ, or I mean, besides EQ being emotional quotient, I would say empathy quotient is a new quotient. That how much can you understand? So we would have someone like, for example, my mother would care about me, and she would think that, hey, now no more feeding street cats. But I would just say, no, I need to learn how to feed street cats so that I don't, startle them, and then they don't bite me. Now that's
No, see,
a
again,
superior
let's look at
version
this.
of that empathy, right?
Let's cut from there for a second. Talk about the fact that so there's a question of hygiene, there's a question of inconvenience, there's a question of making a spectacle. Okay, but I'm okay with the fact that we can have feeding zones, we can find areas to
Correct.
feed. If people do it in a nice, humane way, instead of this pointing fingers all the time and attacking. We see so
I
many
think
videos
humans
of
these days,
the feeders are attacked too much.
they're attacked verbally, but they're even attacked physically.
Shivali, we have defended people physically from
Exactly,
people who have come. An
yes.
old lady, an old Parsi lady at the top of the hill who's trying to feed her dog, for which she
And-
collects all food all day. A beautiful act of humane kindness,
absolutely.
and you're trying to treat her like some criminal, and you come and use
Exactly.
bad language and all that. So
No,
you have
you're
to-
like, oh, this animal activist, this animal
no, they
lover.
use gali galoch. Everything happens. It's not even that. It's not even just
No,
contempt.
to say publicly that you're sleeping with the dog.
All this. I mean, that's
And
just
that is
another
why
level.
you are feeding the dog. So that degree of hate has somehow gone beyond. See, I'm a mental health professional. I've been talking to senior psychiatrists as well as lawyers, and we call it forensic mental health or forensic psychiatry, where not guilty on grounds of insanity, but so here it would be that this woman was going through some mental turmoil, so she tied up the dog and buried him alive.
Oh God.
No.
What?
How would it be if that happened to your child? If somebody took your child and buried them alive?
Yeah, I mean,
would you forgive that?
There's levels of empathy,
I mean,
but there's
the
also
human
levels of
analogy-
monstrosity.
Yes, but that's what the human analogy has to. You've seen the episodes of dog dragging. It may not happen so much in Bombay.
Yeah, I've seen. I don't talk about
I
that.
don't,
please.
we're just talking. I know about
In
sadness.
Jaipur, there was a famous doctor or something who was.
So you tie up the dog and you drag him from a car
yeah.
or from a bike, and that somehow is fun for you. But sorry, we have other ideas of fun. Actually, me helping street animals is my idea of fun.
Yeah.
But how is it that some people have developed that? There is some strange conditioning going on there. See, children.
So you think there's an evil gene? Because this is not a heat of the moment
Again,
crime.
someone
Where people get
mentioned
into a
that
fight.
yesterday about the evil
But who
gene.
can plan to tie an animal and drive with it? I mean, there's an evility to it, no? If you get into a fight and you punch someone or whatever, you behave badly, you regret it later, you say something.
No, but I would have been 5 minutes late for this podcast if I had. I mean, I saw the cat and I said, I wish I was carrying food with me. Because I am a cat lover, I'm an animal lover. I should always carry some food with me. So I am going to do that because you never know where you'll find someone who needs that little bit of extra love. And I'm always going to walk upstairs. Because the last time I was walking upstairs,
What if it's 22nd floor?
we shall
कितना
think
cat
about-
food है आपके
एक
पास,
minute,
ma'am?
22nd
खुद खाना
floor.
पड़ेगा फिर.
22nd floor, I don't think the cat will climb.
That's true. No, poor things. They have to find a
And the
place.
little baby sparrow, I don't know how he trotted up that, first
They're lovely
floor.
birds. From my childhood, I love
picked
sparrows.
this three-day-old baby sparrow. So I picked him and I even took videos because my little cat was licking him to kind of get him, some energy and strength back. So
How sweet.
that was super sweet. That
Species that could eat each other. Well,
I
one
know.
could eat the
And I
other.
just kept telling him, look, he's not food. He's not food. Be kind. He's
And
not
he
food.
looked up at you and said, not yet.
No. So what I'm saying is, we are always ready to feed. I mean, in the same way how in our car we keep some biscuits and chocolates and
I
stuff,
keep.
even for human.
For dogs and cats both. Now you have to watch
no,
out.
I keep for humans also. We
Humans.
have
Can I
homeless.
tell you my human story? This is the other internet issue. I used to give the guys when they beg. I used to also give biscuits. Because my mom told me just give them food, don't do all this.
हाँ,
It was-
bananas
It was
and
okay in the 90s. Somewhere in the 2000s, the guys saying, "Ye kya hai?" So I say, ये क्या है? ये बिस्किट है. मुझे बिस्किट पसंद नहीं है. So what does that mean?
This
So now he
is-
wants Chinese food. No, one sec. So I have to stop the car to go to the Chinese restaurant, get him some chow mein and come back. I mean, bro, this is not too much.
No,
You're
no,
a beggar.
listen.
Beggar can't be choosers. I'll do my bit. You do your bit. You do your thing. I
Okay,
do my
but
thing.
when you said beggars can't be choosers, now here actually
that was just
that
thrown,
was a little wrong.
thrown in for comedy. Yaar.
Yeah,
Don't
I
take
know,
that
I know.
seriously.
But the point is, I usually when I'm giving biscuits, I'm not going to give Parle G because that. Well, Parle G is
Sugar.
only biscuit my mother eats. No.
It's quite tasty.
It's a favorite biscuit.
Huh.
Chai and Parle G. But that's Parle G advertising happening here.
Unnecessary.
I know.
Parle G, good for ye.
No, but I'll always get like some nice biscuits, no? I mean, you'll get like some
Fancy.
Oreos
Oh.
or chocolate cream. I take Oreos
We can't
for...
give chocolate to dogs. They don't have the gene to digest
I am
it.
talking about humans.
But why are we talking about humans?
We are
Such
kind
a
of...
lovely episode and now humans.
No, we're
Mood
kind
kharaab kiya.
to... We are kind to everyone is the point I'm trying to make.
If I have a terminal illness, I think about this all the time.
Listen, I got treats once for my dog
Really?
and for my cats and street dogs and they were lying on my desk. My dad is no more, but poor
Ate it.
thing. My dad tried them and he ate them.
But some of them are not bad.
Oh,
My
you
friend
eaten
Kunal also
them.
tries them. Yeah.
Acha, Kunal tries them. I
Yeah,
thought you're
because
also
they're
talking from
flavored
experience.
treats. Now, you told me these fancy treats that come. Now,
I mean, it's chicken and fish, but-
it's a nose flavor thingy more
Correct.
than a taste.
But and my dad was non-vegetarian. But poor thing, he ate the treats and then he told my mom, this is a little strange. And then I felt really bad. You know, obviously hid them. It's very natural. Like you see a packet, even I'm a foodie, I'll just open anything and eat
Yeah,
it.
so Kunal ate it and started barking immediately. I mean, so it worked. But you didn't tell us the story about the humans. So what happens with the biscuits and the humans
No,
outside?
we give nice biscuits.
No, but nice biscuit. matlab, so now you spoil the market. So when I give my Murray biscuit, that guy
Yes.
is saying, "Oh, Dr. Shivali, pata hai?
No,
Uske
no,
paas."
sometimes I'd make brownies and set out on the
Wow,
street in the
that's
car.
too. Wow.
I will get
I'll
brownies.
beg outside your house. Where is the location?
I got you brownies last time also.
Coffee bhi pila do. We'll just have a tea party
Coffee
there.
and
Just,
brownies.
I'm anyway dressed like a beggar. I'll stand there.
No. So wait. See, some small little thing like keeping little bowls of water outside your window because sparrows in the
Yeah,
heat. I
yeah.
mean, right now it's not too bad, but Bombay is always hot. But carrying these little treats for the street babies, and, those are things. It's just you need to
I'm a great
show
fan of the crows.
the scavengers, though.
They're
They come
scavengers, they're so
saaf kar dete hain
intelligent,
sab.
yeah. They're unbelievable. Even in no time you can feed the cats in one area. I won't say where I do it.
That's what I do.
And then
That's what I do.
They learn that I'll give them another area, and of course they'll clean up whatever the cats have later.
Left
But they
behind.
know exactly.
That they'll come to that other
They,
area.
within one interaction, not
But
even
the
two.
crows are also territorial because I know cats. I
Yeah.
mean,
But
I
they
also
eat
sometimes
together now. There's no problem. And then once they finish, the crows
Yeah, they
move
wait
from
for
their
the
area
cats
the-
to
yeah.
finish.
And
So,
every-
and I'm standing there like, talking to the crows.
So
and
about cleanliness, so they make sure that everything is gone. So there's no question of any.
it's
thing
not
being
dirty
left.
at all.
But
yeah.
but animal feeders, the one thing we can do is make sure that people can just walk and not be, that's not difficult to do.
Correct. No, I think the feeding zones idea is not bad.
Yeah,
And I
yeah.
think we should have enough dustbins so that we can even throw the packets of food and
Yeah,
stuff like that.
yeah.
So once like a rag picker, I was just picking packs of food because animal feeders feed
Hmm.
and the animal non-lovers, I won't say haters, say that you are littering the street. Well, they won't bother about the rest of the litter, but they will bother
Yeah,
about
yeah,
the
yeah.
animal food packets. But
Yeah.
I sat and picked all those animal food packs and I carried them back and then I
Like
threw
if a
them.
dog is peeing on the road, they'll say, "Ki, dekho, kya
What
kya
about
karta hai."
humans peeing?
But when the 2 months
many more
later, the
humans
educated
peeing.
man is peeing
But
on the
did
road.
you know about they were proposing a fine for dogs who pee on the road?
Yeah, I
mean,
know.
the
Who would pay
owners
it?
would.
Oh, you mean dogs with humans attached? Yeah.
Dogs with humans attached, humans who are attached to their
That's why I walk my dogs at 4 o'clock now.
So that nobody,
There's
no
fine.
wonder,
They're
yes.
not there.
So you don't have to pay the
And it's
fine.
dark. Cameras can't pick
No,
up.
but you can find the owners of the dogs, just like you can find the petitioners who go to Supreme Court
Yeah.
to fight for the animals. You can find them.
Sarcasm building up and
And you can find the doggies who pee on the road.
yeah.
But you can't find the human beings who pee and poop on
And
the
you
road.
shouldn't. They have every right to do this, apparently. Yeah.
We can, instead of building those shelters, how about building public toilets?
No, I'm telling you honestly, the problem is there is no problem here if people just open their hearts. It's not an issue.
But
Now,
even
tell me one thing.
minds also.
Shivali, tell me one. Mine's also, tell me one thing, and I don't want to make myself the hero of my own story, but I'm a Leo. I've traveled across the country and across the world. Okay, I have got a lot of dog bites by stopping dog fights. Okay, because they're very difficult. But only in dog
Bites
fights.
and
But I have
scratches.
walked through every stray dog area, everywhere, even if they're growling packs or whatever, without any problem. All you have to do with the right body language and
I
confidence.
think we need to educate
Dogs
people.
pick up immediately the vibe. Okay, they immediately pick up the vibe. At the most, the really unfriendly ones will still not come to you, but they'll just growl and stay where they are. There's no question of attacking. It's just a human language where we don't understand that the dog has got a predatory.
We are scared,
No,
and we
the
transmit
prey drive
that
is there
fear.
also now when there are packs. So if you start running and doing stupid things like that, or you're so scared, if you're confident, there's no problem. It's just like human beings.
We
Human beings
need
bully
to
you when
educate.
they can sense that you're scared.
We just need to educate people.
That's what.
And I think it starts with children, but I mean, I don't mean that we only need to work on the children, because we need to work on the parents and then the children. That's why I feel there's a whole empathy
or have
consultant.
less children now if they're going to be animal haters. Just straight away have less. Or check with the
another
doctor.
story.
ये क्या प्यार करेगा animal को? अच्छा ठीक है.
नहीं तो,
But what were you showing me? You were taking your clothes off for some reason.
no, I was not. I was showing you scratches.
Scratches.
We were
But
talking that we all
That
have-
could be a different kind of animal.
No. Cats mostly scratch
Yeah.
me. So,
Yeah.
because
Oh, that-
I go after them, but
I go to this club where somebody, left a complaint saying the cat scratched his kid. So I asked the custodian or the people there.
what did the kid do before the
No,
cat
but what was the scratch? It was nothing. It was just like the kind of mark you get. There's no blood, nothing. It's ridiculous how the reactions are also.
We have
no?
an entitled new
Yeah.
generation.
Firstly,
so-
you don't understand how to play with kittens or cats. Then secondly, you're going to
Or you
overreact.
go straight and catch their tail or something
yeah,
that you
exactly.
do. So,
Yeah.
but education is important. It really is.
Yeah.
We're just engendering fear, and we're.
I think going back to your empathy, you're an
engendering
empathy
hate.
counselor. The empathy is the education. So,
So I feel in schools and corporates, I think that's the best way. In schools, we target the max children. In corporates, we
but it's
target.
too late then, no? It should be like at the child is like.
Better late than never, no?
No, see, for dog people, the kids are born into dog culture or animal culture totally, so it's already there. I'm saying it should be there in their
but
subconscious
wait,
when they're very
There is
young.
somewhere that gene is there.
Yeah.
See, like me and my sister have different genes in that sense. I mean, she's tolerant, and I am loving. Like I bring a
Bro,
cat.
I live with tolerant. Look at the stories you're telling me. Tolerant is much better.
Of course.
I mean, they don't have to hug the animals.
You don't have to hug the animal, but just don't kill them.
That's what.
So
that
there are
just-
videos of the mother
We are aiming
and
really
the
low.
child. No, we have videos of everything.
The good
okay?
story or bad story?
Okay story.
Tell me a good story now.
Good story is somewhere up north, I think in Himachal. This girl was, out with these 15 kids, and there was one little dog, and so she said, "Who loves the dog the most?" And all 15 kids put up their hand, and that all of them like this little street dog, and they're like literally holding the street dog's hand and dancing with her and playing with her. And each of them says that this dog is my favorite. That's a good story. When I went,
It's a
this
lovely
was
story.
around Ganpati time, I went to that little pandal. A lot of kids like to sit there in the Ganpati dhamal, and we just started talking about dogs. And all of them I made videos. So I thought let's take it on camera. And each one of them said that how their dog is so precious to them. And I said, you guys actually have your own dog who lives at home with them. I met this lady with a little baby calf, and I just asked that, is this for money? Is it no, this little calf is our pet. I said, what do you feed her? Like, what about milk? They said, no, she doesn't give milk, and I mean, she's a little small, but we're not going to use her for milk. So that was the whole idea.
It's our family member. Yeah.
She said family. ये हमारा परिवार है. She said this is like our family, and she just sleeps outside our house. This is a full size, calf.
Yeah, bit difficult
calf
to fit
going
her in the hut.
Fit her in the hut. But you live in that slum, and you actually have a cow
This is
who
another-
you're being kind to.
No, that sounds like my wife. I'm kidding. Take that back. Look at the looks in the room. Apologized on the spot. But going back a little bit, there was another story, I think in Bangalore or somewhere in the south, where street dogs looked after an abandoned baby.
Yes.
Overnight.
Yes.
So
visited
nobody wants to
Bangalore.
push these stories out there. They want to tell you only the stories of attack,
Thankfully,
bite,
Times of India
without
put
the
a bit-
context. Yeah.
yeah.
Please. Well, that's the other thing. The electronic media has just gone completely biased, all right? They're not reporting in a balanced way, not giving the other side
They're
a chance
not.
to speak.
They're giving one little episode of
Yeah.
one death with
Yeah.
rabies. Now, I'm a doctor. I again empathize. I've been bitten and I've gone and taken rabies shots. And when I went to get the shots, the government hospital said the vaccines are over. Now, who's going to question that? Then I had to go in private. But I'm just thinking of the people who can't afford the vaccines. So a lot of rabies, we will say that India is the rabies capital of the world. I mean,
But that's also to do with the population of the country, right? So
we
we're
are
the capital of
max
many things.
Capital of many things. We are the
Most
diabetes
number
capital.
of diarrhea number one. Obviously,
iPhone's also number one.
Obviously
because
number one.
population is
Population,
number one.
yeah, this
so the statistics don't match up there. But nonetheless, if you're going to put it like that, then the understanding is going to be so different that we are the rabies capital. But as you mentioned, there are so many other things. We could become the empathy capital of the world, but we're not. We're
Really?
also the rape capital of the world.
considering the culture of India, which is steeped in sort of humanity, if you look at it, and animals in the majority religion, animals are everywhere. It's a very kind to animals religion. It's
Correct.
very much part of the culture, the
Everything, I
Sanskriti.
mean, there's no
Yeah.
actual religion which says to hurt an animal.
Hmm.
There's no religion that says to hurt anyone. But then look at the amount of hurt that we inflict all
Yeah.
the time.
Anyway.
It's not adding up. I think that's just reflecting on your human gene, which is turned evil.
And once you're saying the
Somehow.
same thing on loop, but it goes back to how you're brought up to some extent, you know.
I mean,
That
it is
makes
your
a
life
huge-
experiences, but you know, a lot of the times, even a person who has been molested or beaten in childhood might not want to hit other humans, but
Yeah.
it is just considered that the animal is
So
lesser.
that you didn't answer the question I asked you, where you said, is there an evil gene? When you talk about that horrible thing you discussed just now,
So,
it's
okay,
one thing to
fine, I
hate,
will answer,
and there's one
yes.
thing to hate, is one thing to be like evil, because that's very monstrous. You know what you described, and there are many more
Exactly.
examples of that. Doesn't
way
look like
worse.
all haters are capable of that. They just want the
No.
dog apna jagah se niklo.
Yeah.
You know that's what
Yeah, they
they're-
wouldn't hurt.
Yeah, they don't really want to hurt.
But those who go out to hurt, so there we have, so that we won't say evil gene, but we have spoken of empathy gene. So the
तो अगर
empathy
ये है तो
gene,
वो भी होगा.
the empathy gene is missing. So
Oh,
they do
right.
not have the capacity.
You're right. The lack of empathy is the definition of cruelty in the Oxford Dictionary. Check it out, guys.
It is,
Yeah,
really?
yeah. Cruelty is a lack
No,
of
but
empathy.
what is
So when
sadness
say-
when you're not feeling happy or
If
sad?
an Adolf Hitler wants to eliminate an entire community of people, it's because of lack of empathy.
Correct.
He had a lot of empathy for his own people,
It's-
so you find very
he
humane
was
feelings
not-
for his own people.
He
But-
was
but
nice
no
to his
empa-
own,
yeah.
no empathy for the other.
Yeah,
So,
so-
that's where it comes. We do have an empathy gene wherein, like, do you like horror movies?
Well, all movies are horror movies today. I mean, if you look at it from
No.
perspective,
So
yeah.
I don't like watching, you know,
I
bloody,
like- I do like- I do
bloody,
like.
gory things. You are okay with
I do like-
watching
I do
it?
like.
Okay. So
Well, I just like to get scared. So it's more than what it is.
Yeah.
So like
no,
the-
are
I
you
don't-
enjoying when someone's gouging
Not,
somebody's
not so much.
eyeballs
It's more
out?
like if you see movies like The Shining and all. It's just where they take you to the fear zone.
No, but would
It's
you
the
like
anticipation
to,
of what happens and rather than what happens.
Would you like to watch
No,
eyeballs
of course
being
not.
gouged
Come on,
out?
come on. Shivali, you know me. Am I that bad?
No, not at all. But I'm just asking.
No.
So I can't even, you know, when you watch that, you just cringe and
Yeah.
you kind of close
Yeah,
your eyes.
I do.
So then you're in place. Then
I
you're
remember
good.
I went for a date once with two of us and two girls in college days
Long
in
ago,
Sterling
huh?
to watch, what is that, mask wala horror? Yeah, American, no, Nightmare on Elm Street, one of the 7 parts. And in one scene, I remember, so I shut my eyes, then I turned and I said, so what happened? All of us were like this.
Shut eyes.
They couldn't
Sweet,
remember the scene.
Nice
exact-
little
Yeah,
sweet people.
yeah.
No, so what we have in our brain is mirror neurons. So when you see something happening, negative, bad, happening to someone, your brain mirrors it as if it's happening to you. So if someone's stabbing somebody,
Oh.
you cringe. You might just
so
hold
that's
your
empathy.
stomach. That is empathy because of the mirror
And there are
neurons.
people who don't have mirror neurons.
Their
So
mirror
they can watch
neurons-
this killing or whatever
they love
without
it
blinking.
without blinking.
Oh.
There's just some sense of pleasure that they get. So that is the absence of those mirror neurons, or the
So
lesser
they are the
we-
people who do this kind of animal cruelty or sometimes
Chances
cruelty
are
to children and all that you read about also.
they
yeah.
could potentially do it. So, for example, there's one report.
Okay, sorry to be funny, but I'm thinking that also the way to find out is we got to take lots of people into a theater, watch a horror film,
And see
वो
who reacts.
exact point पे we are
Yes,
shooting the
yes.
audience,
Yeah,
so we
yeah.
can say, "Oh,
We
Jairam, got you."
Not just
Cat
that, I
killer.
think we should put the entire EEG, ECG, the
Ah,
whole
so you get all the-
galvanometer.
you get all
So
the
we'll
readings-
get-
readings come immediately to you.
We could potentially do these experiments. We
Yeah.
can do PET studies.
Yeah.
So even in a PET scan or a SPECT scan where we're understanding the
You know,
functioning
what
of
you're
the
saying is
brain.
actually spot on, because what I remember of these serial killer shows like Ted Bundy and
Serial
what,
killer,
what are the
yeah.
names of those guys?
Dexter.
But Dexter's a fiction. But the real actual
The
serial
real
killers,
ones.
they all had lack of empathy towards animals, and of course later on towards humans.
But all these research shows it. You know,
That's
we
the
don't have
first
as much
step
of
towards
Indian.
the
The
absolute-
first thing
yeah.
is the every episode of adult cruelty is linked with like literally 100%.
So it grows from there.
Yes, 100% of cruelty in childhood may not be inhumane behavior in adulthood, but serial killers and inhuman behavior in adulthood has 100% linkage
Linked
to
to-
childhood.
yeah.
So that much research we already
And this is across
have
the
in
world.
place.
It's not
This
just
is
for
across the
American
world.
serial killers, even ours.
Yeah, we've done the studies less in India because we've also, I wouldn't say it doesn't exist, but maybe we've not studied it,
Yeah.
and we should. But the focus is, especially in a couple of American studies, it has been proven. So it doesn't mean that their gene is different. It's humanity after all. So when you can be cruel to a living being, I mean, so we have people who are Jains, and they are like, I had somebody Jain, and there were these mosquitoes, and I was just like swatting them, and she said, please don't kill. Now, I don't want to get malaria, so I do kill mosquitoes off and on, or I try to like get them out of the window. But of late, I've started saying sorry even to the mosquito. I said I had to.
Honestly, even I don't like killing cockroaches. And my wife will shout, cockroach.
But we don't want cockroaches. I mean, lizards and all, I send them
But
out.
now I have a technique. I use a newspaper, pick them up.
Exactly.
And I have a neighbor I don't like.
Do you know there's a term for that? When I went for Vipassana, they had a glass and a little plastic laminated sheet, and it was written insect relocator.
What does that mean?
You picked the insect. You
We put it there.
Insect relocator. So they assign us these little rooms when we go for Vipassana, and so there was an insect relocator. So by chance, it's on a forest area. So if you have an insect, don't kill it. You take this sheet, put it under the glass, and take it out and relocate the insect.
Oh, nice.
It's actually called an insect relocator.
I know. I should have figured it out. And you said it 3 times.
I had to say it 3 times. So
See what you're
never
dealing
mind.
with. Yeah.
That's okay. We still love you.
Yeah.
But
what can we do? Yeah. No, I understand. But now,
so we've got to teach empathy. Like, you don't even see when it starts with when you start feeling bad for killing that cockroach.
You hesitate, that tells you that you're worried. The moment you hesitate, some people don't
That
hesitate.
hesitation is
That
important.
hesitation is important, yeah.
So when you're actually teaching, so there was another video I had about the father beating the dog. They beat the dog daily. The father beating the dog.
Why?
The mother beating the dog.
A mother should beat the father.
The father's mother. So here we have 3 generations. I was saying the dog. The child was sitting and clapping. He was jumping
You've
and
got
clapping
3
like it was a show.
generations of evil
3
behavior.
generations of evil. That's how I made that video. There is 3 generations of evil happening there. And how is the kid
Can
going
they change?
to learn otherwise? We can try and make the kid change.
But adults, you can't change
See,
this.
there is cognitive change and there's behavior change. So I change how I think. It's just like alcoholism. Let me recognize that this is not good for me, and when I recognize that alcohol is doing me no good, I'll stop.
But people recognize it's not good, but they're not able to.
So then we do
take the step.
behavior. Then we do behavior. It's just like overeating also. Like, let me just get the peanut butter and the chocolates and the wafers out of my house. Then I
Not
won't
wafers.
eat.
I love wafers.
You're not obese. So
One vice we should be allowed. One vice.
only one?
Yeah.
You sure?
At my age, it's one vice. In the 40s, 2. 30s, 3. 20s, many.
But
now it's
you're
one.
in the 20s.
Yeah. Okay, done. You convinced me.
Okay, so if we can't change our mind, but I really like this, and I know that I'm craving that chocolate, but behavior therapy means I'll just keep it away. There's no chocolate in my house, and I've just decided we're adults, so we don't have to have that. I'll be whipped if I have 10 chocolates. If I have a chocolate, sorry, but whipped 10 times if I have a chocolate. Or you can say that I'll do 50 jumping jacks and I'll have a chocolate. That's fine. You're kind of counteracting. You give yourself that prize. So we have to just make up our mind. If we can't change, like if you're aggressive,
Sorry to interrupt. I have a question. It's bothering me. If I want to have that chocolate, but I'm in a public place and I have to do the 50 jumping jacks in a crowded restaurant,
do
I
it
still-
later.
But how does that work? I have to earn it, right? So do it first and then eat the chocolate.
You can pay the penalty also later.
So I can do it backwards. I can eat the chocolate first and then 2 days later do the jumping jacks.
No, you have to kind of do it the same day.
But
But if 2 days later you have to do, look, then your
you're going straight to work from the restaurant.
No, your jumping jacks should not add up to 7,000 jumping jacks.
Okay.
Because if you keep adding and wait for later, then you shall do it after.
One-time payment.
I'll do it in my dreams at
Yeah,
night.
yeah,
I'll do
yeah.
it after I die.
Yeah,
No.
yeah.
So we've got to do it. No, but we're back to behavior therapy. Cognitive change is when you mentally recognize that you should not be doing this. So that child may have the urge to hurt that animal or, throw a stone at a animal on the road or something.
Very often that's how it starts.
That's how it starts. But wait, that is, he wants to do it. But if the mother says, you're not going to do that, you will get a timeout or you will be punished if you do that, then the child still hasn't learned that I have to be kind. But he just learns that if I hurt an animal, something bad will happen
But why is
to
it that
me.
you and I never wanted to do that? There are enough of us who never wanted to pick a stone and hit
Empathy
it.
gene, no.
But I'm not a great human being from any standard. I have a lot of bad, evil, petty thoughts. But I have never had the urge to hurt an animal on the road like that.
Then I
and
believe
there are
it's-
people who do. So what's the reason for that?
They've undergone some trauma themselves. And since it has been ingrained that we can't hit another child or we can't hit another human being, so I think it just gets that we can hit this being because the rule was never set that you cannot hit them. Like you may not want to hit another
Is it
child
like
in class.
the drunk man who takes it out on the wife and kids because he's frustrated at work? So the same thing happens
It's
where-
displacement.
Displacement.
Since
so
you
you're
mentioned drunk man, there was a drunk man who smashed a beer bottle and stabbed a dog.
Oh God.
That dog is in
funny.
hospital.
Tell me happy stories now, so we have hope.
But the dog is.
You're just making me more angry, and
better
I feel
now.
like blackness in my soul, and I want to
I
hurt
know, but the
people.
dog is better.
Okay.
I like BJP, Brocha Janata Party.
The
It's
original.
written there. That's the original.
We were first.
No,
Yeah.
my vision
Yeah.
just went there.
Okay, listen, we're nearly out of time. In 2 minutes, I wanted to do my own self-analysis before we wrap up.
Session starts now.
Yeah, but now you have very little time, so you do it fast. Bolo.
Your analysis.
Yeah, you have to analyze me, no?
Oh, just like magic.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not
you
going
can
to
ask me
tell.
3-4 questions. What would I have to
You're
tell
not
you?
going to tell me-
So, in very limited time, tell me what I have to do when I'm a patient. Like
I will give you a penny for your thought right now.
Okay.
Okay, I will give you 500 rupees for your thought right now.
What
What are
about-
you thinking right
What
now?
about GST? Bro, the government's really screwed with us. You can't just throw money around. We have to pay different
Cyrus,
things.
you have 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And look at how you're utilizing your time. Do you do this all the time?
Huh.
Are you time efficient? Are you
I'm
making
very
the
time-
most of what
Okay,
you
I'll
have?
tell you my one fault quickly, which maybe you can help me with.
One fault only.
No, many are there, but this
But
is the
tell
main
me
one.
one.
I've realized also as I've grown older is that I'm just can't bear anybody who's slow. They drive me mad. Slow people on the road, slow people at work, slow people in the gym, slow people in social places.
Driving on the road, everything.
Guys who take long to talk, they drive me nuts. So they'll be like, Shivali, did you see what happened yesterday in the game?
So,
Yeah. I just start shaking.
Just want to like fast forward the speed.
So how do I make myself less
You
agitated?
have I have mentioned this
Yeah,
before
yeah.
in your show itself.
Yeah.
You have the pig,
The pig.
the problem of immediate gratification,
I do that. I want it
which is
immediately.
what the universe has. You want it and you want it now.
Yeah.
It
Even
may, it
I
may
want
be
it
the
before
right
that
thing.
also.
You want it before.
now,
You want it
yeah.
yesterday.
Yesterday.
So you have to slow down. You have
But if
to.
I slow down, I feel stress. If I go at my pace, I feel happy.
Then you need something called ERP, exposure response prevention, in
Are
which
these narcotics easily available?
it is a therapeutic technique. Okay.
Okay.
A simple tip for something like that is I don't know. Do you do yoga by any chance?
It's not my thing. I like to lift weights. It's too slow, man.
After today,
I need the yoga. Huh.
listen,
Huh.
you are going to do yoga. You're going
I
to
ca-
do
I
a
tried.
balancing
I tried.
posture.
I
I will
fell
make you
asleep.
do it right now. You will fall asleep.
Yes.
I'll make you balance on one
too
leg
slow.
in a vague posture. You will not be able to sleep.
I feel like a fraud the moment I have to put my hand like this or my hand like that. I like fast movements. Yeah.
Yoga is not like that.
I'm
by
on
the
disco,
way. No. What
Yeah.
to become flexible in the mind and the body, if you might
Yeah.
want that.
Just neck upwards. Huh.
See, you don't even let me speak.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the whole point. Immediate gratification that you just butt in.
Okay.
You need to be in a situation that you don't like and endure that. Start with 10
Marriage,
seconds.
work, breakfast.
Marriage you have done since 30 years, but or
What,
more.
24.
24. Okay.
Push it, man. What the hell?
Oh, you will reach 30.
Okay, listen, we have to stop. But before we stop, let's quickly mention Dr. Shivali Batra has her own Insta thing,
Dr. Shefali Batra.
which is all about humane action.
But it's about mental wellness and
Mental
humane
wellness
action.
and things like that. So
Empathy.
please, empathy, check it out. Also pushes for animal awareness and against animal cruelty. And we're with you. Also, my good friend Ambika Shukla is out there trying to push, and we're all supporting her. She's
We're
our
in
leader.
touch.
Yeah, please be in touch. And everybody out there who likes animals, please help us with this November 7th ruling. We can't take on the court, so we have to bow and say, please, can we re-look at everything? And then maybe just understand that logistics are a nightmare from what is planned and probably not going to happen. And of course, we don't want dogs to suffer or humans to suffer. It's not like we want human beings to suffer.
We just want the right method out.
Yeah. So we're reaching out to everyone who are animal lovers, and especially dog lovers in this particular case, but animal lovers in general, because there are many more cases. Whether you're a politician, if you're an artist, if you're a businessman, if you're a prominent person or
Let's
less prominent
use
person.
our skills to build
Let's
that
get
awareness.
collective. Let's
We
just
may
get-
not even go on the street to
Yeah.
feed that animal, but we will raise our voice.
Correct.
We will,
I just
as
want
an
the- I
influencer
want the collective.
in the news.
We need to make a big lobby
Collective
so that we
action,
can
yes.
stand up and people listen to us. That's all. So
and
the
we actually need diverse. If you're in the
Yeah.
digital space, then make wonderful videos and spread
Yeah.
them and make them
exactly.
go viral.
So do whatever you
So-
can from wherever you are, whatever your position in life is. It's not important. What you have to do is just be collective. That's our thing. I've appointed you the leader. You and Ambika are the leaders. And
So you appointed us.
मेरे को leadership नहीं चाहिए. I don't want to be the leader.
Okay.
It's too much
You're
responsibility.
just the tiger.
Yeah. No, I'm a passerby who's with you guys. That's the way it is.
That means
Yeah.
everything.
Anyway, Shefali, we've run out of time. Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Pleasure
Thank you.
having you on the show. Please come back and we'll talk about animals again anytime.
Absolutely.
Bye bye.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.